The roasted nuts and syrup are mixed in an electromagnetic sugar cooking pot. Using electromagnetic heating principle, uniform temperature will not paste the pot. Through the material hoist, automatic transmission to grain bar cutting machine. The mixer adopts screw feeding system to ensure the consistency of thickness and tightness of materials in the middle and edge. The cutting machine includes mixing function. Press the material, strip and cut it into pieces. Automatic connection to the fully automatic feeding line packaging machine. Welcome to get in touch with us.
请点赞、关注、评论哦。